super happy to be welcoming you on this show, sir. So my name is Pari. मेरा जो teenage रहा है, वो आपकी books पढ़ के ही निकला है पूरा.
Not having real fun and reading my books, but
No.
I'm
Books
joking.
पढ़ने के बाद real fun.
Okay,
But
fine.
सबसे पहले I'm going to talk about the book that is coming up, which is One Arranged Murder. Now tell me
Yes.
something. ये जो concept है of this releasing a filmy style teaser for a book, ये एक बहुत ही नया concept है. आपने आपकी previous book के लिए भी ऐसा किया था.
So the thought is simple that a lot of youngsters are very much into watching videos, whether they are always watching Instagram or YouTube or even Facebook. I mean, everywhere there is video now, and I think people are on these platforms. And if I have to get them interested in a book again, I thought if I can show them a video, get them to a suspense point. So it's a way to bridge the video generation and get the video generation into the books again.
So आपकी जो बुक्स है ज्यादातर वो हमेशा लव स्टोरीज रही हैं एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई मुझे इसलिए ज्यादा भी आपकी बुक्स बहुत पसंद थी बिकॉज दे वर मोस्टली लव स्टोरीज बट अभी पास्ट दो बुक से इट्स लाइक इट्स दीज मर्डर मिस्ट्रीज. तो ये शिफ्ट क्यों, मतलब वाज दिस लाइक purposely?
One should reinvent. One should always the same love stories you love. If I keep doing them, you'll say, "अरे यार वो ही चेतन भगत आ गया फिर से वही बोर करेगा, दिल टूट गया ये वो." So there is still a love story in the books. Even the last book was a murder mystery, but there is a very strong emotional love story of Keshav and his girlfriend Zara, and it's really intense, the breakup and all. Here also, Saurabh, it's an arranged marriage, but there's a lot of romance. They're trying, it's a very cheesy kind of romance, but there is a relationships. And it is murder mystery, but it's a Chetan Bhagat book at the end of the day. I do very personal stories. Even here, the person who has died is the fiancée of Saurabh. So there is a very personal kind of case solving happening. It's not like they are just detectives solving any case. So the reason for doing thrillers is really, again, attention spans are becoming less. Youngsters are more interested if there is a thriller component. We have seen it in web series also. A lot of thrillers are coming.
Right.
People are not so interested did the boy get the girl in the end. People are like, did
the boy kills the girl in the end, at the end.
Or who killed the girl? Or did the boy kill the girl? Or did the girl kill the boy? I don't know. So I think it just adds a layer of excitement and makes you keep turning the page. It just adds suspense. Suspense is a very big tool a writer can have. This one is one arranged murder where it's a marriage. Shaadi mein ek murder ho raha hai. So that makes it more interesting. So I think it's a mix. I'm just using suspense and adding suspense to a Chetan Bhagat book. But it's not like I'm removing the romance and humor from my earlier books or emotion.
मैं अभी आपको थोड़ा सा flashback में लेकर जाना चाहती हूँ. Like we all know, how you actually started writing, how you got into writing. But what I want to know from you is कि आपका definitely कोई plan तो था नहीं लिखने का, because आप engineering कर रहे थे. तो वो कौन सा moment था where you felt like कि नहीं यार मुझे अब लिखना है, I don't want to do this, I want to be a writer?
It was just like, I loved writing since in college and everything, and whether it is writing plays or for magazines, and I went and joined a bank, and it was a lot of money they paid me. I mean, it was so much money because compared to what I had in college, कि चाय के बिल देने के लिए पैसे नहीं है और वहाँ like dollar आ रहे हैं, मतलब ऐसे like I can buy chai for the entire office. Wow. So the money was so good, but I was not as happy, and I was like, why am I not so happy? Yeah. So I was like, because I'm not writing, because I'm not doing things that I love doing. I'm not making any plays. I'm not organizing college fests. And I was like, Arey yaar, abhi kya kare? So I thought, okay, let me write, because you can still do a job and write. And I think that's how I got back to it, because I felt if I don't do this, I cannot be happy, no matter how much money I have.
But I'm sure जब आपने लिखना स्टार्ट किया होगा, you didn't really intend to write a book straight away, right? आपने उससे पहले काफी और दूसरी writing
in college, I used to write articles, I used to write stories, I used to write plays. Plays can be quite big, but no, never a book. But because I was just writing in my office, not with the intention to publish in a magazine or anything. मैं लिखे जा रहा हूँ, तो लंबा है तो अच्छा है. तो फिर मैं अपना लिख रहा था अपने कॉलेज की स्टोरी. Then I thought उसको थोड़ा proper story बनाते हैं, उसको थोड़ा proper book बनाते हैं. मतलब there was no agenda, there was no no knowing कि ये कहाँ जाएगी. बस ऐसे कर रहा हूँ कि just but maybe it was destiny, like that book 5 Point someone came and it just came and how everybody read it, and like Three Idiots, my gosh. So I think all that changed, just changed my life completely.
सर आपके बुक्स में इन ऑल ऑफ योर बुक्स देयर इज सो मच ड्रामा ऑलरेडी, मतलब यू नो अगर आप बुक पढ़ते हो तो यू कैन एक्चुअली विजुअलाइज. सो आपकी सारी राइटिंग्स में इनफैक्ट वो ड्रामा होता है, तो वो जो एस्पेक्ट है वो आप जानबूझकर लिखते हो सो दैट इट कैन बी मेड इनटू मूवीज, कि ऐसा कोइंसिडेंटली होता गया?
I write because it's also fun to read that. I mean, you know, I told you I want the book to be a page turner. I don't want people to feel, "Arey yaar, class textbook पढ़ रहे हैं." So that will only happen not only if the whole story is interesting, but every page has to be interesting. My books look very simple. They look like, oh, ये तो ऐसे गप्पे मार रहा कोई आदमी बैठ के, but there's a lot of work that goes in making it number one book in the country. ऐसे नहीं हो जाता है. So it's because of that every paragraph is checked and we make sure कि it is really interesting.
But how do you feel when you see these books you know having a visual representation mainstream cinema में? क्योंकि आप जब लिखते हो तो वो स्टोरी आपके हेड में होती है, and then you see that on
head
screen.
To paper.
Correct.
Head to paper, then paper to readers, then readers to direct, and then it goes on screen. And then it is very bizarre. Now I'm used to it, but it is the first few times it was like, what happened? It was these were characters. I started with a blank piece of paper, and from that blank paper I imagined something, and this is happening. This is in PVR now. So
right.
You know, so it feels very strange to see those characters on screen and then to sometimes meet those actors.
Do you think youngsters today have a reading habit?
I wish they read more, honestly.
So what according to you, sir, you know, what does it take to be a good writer?
I think you have to not only, of course, you have to be able to express your thoughts in the written form. That is one thing. But you must be a very good observer of the world and people.
So, Abhi, with this whole digital boom and social media, you know, there is a platform for everybody. सबको एक platform मिल गया to voice, to showcase their work. But opportunities इससे बढ़ गई हैं definitely. But इसके साथ साथ competition भी बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है.
बहुत बढ़ गया.
You know, for young writers, for aspiring writers. So, you know, what happens is a lot of times when you see so many people doing the same thing around you, you tend to get a bit intimidated. कि यार सभी ऐसा कर रहे हैं, तो how will I stand out? उन लोगों के लिए आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
Your content has to be very good for you to rise to the top. It's not like कि सब हो जाएंगे. So you have to be really good at what you do.
So ऐसा कब होता है? Like when do you feel you write the best? क्योंकि different writers के लिए it's different. You know, some people write the best when they are like happy. Some people write the best when they are sad. How is it like with you?
With less stress. I think when I have less items on, if I have 20 items on my to-do list for the day, I will not write very well. With less deadline pressure, I do better. I do it better. Yeah, I mean, I guess as long as it's my main activity of the day, so it's definitely like maybe in the morning, just go to the gym and then write, but not like the third or fourth thing I do in the day. I think that then I write well.
Last message to all these young aspiring writers who probably will watch this video, will listen to our conversation. उनको आप क्या कहना चाहोगे? इस skill पर काम कैसे करना चाहिए, and how can they at least be somewhere close to being a bestseller?
You need to read, you need to write, you need to make a maybe community, you need to get published some articles, you need to get very comfortable with expressing yourself in written form. You know, like your Insta captions and your tweets should rock, man. So
thank you so much, sir. It was a pleasure having you, speaking to you. All the very best for your book. I'm really looking forward to reading it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
92.